In this video, I'm going to show you how the cordless robotic pool cleaner by Aiper works. All right, so this is our pool. And as you can see, we've got two bougainvillea trees on either side. We've got these bamboo, we've got these pine trees, we've got a giant oak tree, and a lot of debris ends up in the pool, and I'm going to show you. And as you can see, there is a lot of debris on the bottom of the pool. Hopefully it can clean the sides and the bottom. All right, looks like we're all charged up. We got green down there. So let's go ahead and we'll unplug it. Unplug that part there, and you want to make sure that you put this on the charge port. You want to get it on there, all right? And you grab it here, and you can bring it out this way. And we're just going to bring it out here for a second. I'm going to show you how it works. All right, so basically, you see there's two jets here. What it does, it's going to suck water from the bottom. I'll flip it up so you can see. Through this hole right here, it pulls it through. This right here rolls and scoops all the debris into this field, and you notice how this kind of blocks it, and it keeps it trapped here so it gets sucked up in there, and these wheels all rotate. And the suction holds it against the wall. All right, if you look up top here, you got your on switch, and what you do is you rotate this clockwise. This will do walls and floor, this will do just floor, this will do walls. So when I'm ready to go into the pool, I'm going to turn this, and I'm going to put it on this one because I want to do the walls and I want to do the floor. So let's pop up the back and I'll show you the system that it has. This is the catch basin here. It's like a little basket. I'm going to pull it out. And you can see that's the hole that I was showing you before. Let me show you again without breaking it. So that's it right there, you see. This basket right here slides in there. And if you look on the bottom of this basket, you're going to notice that there is a little spring door that all the leaves and debris get sucked up inside there, and that's where they get trapped, okay? And notice how it's tapered and how this is tapered. That's how you set it in there. It opens up very easily, so you can easily wash it. You see there's two nodules there that slip right in there. There's a leaf in there still. Put that down, and then we just put it in there like that. Bam, Bobby's your uncle. And then we shut this. And now we're ready to go ahead and take it outside and put it in the pool. All right, let's get her outside. It's about 100,000 degrees in Florida, so it's super hot. Okay, set it right down here. All right, so I'm just gonna turn this to here. And I got 10 seconds once I do that, and then I've got to get it in the water. Bam, ready to go? Grab her. And in the water we go. That's it. It's going. And now all we got to do is just let it clean the pool. Here's some underwater shots that I used my GoPro Hero 10 Black to record the Aiper Cordless Robotic pool cleaner. And as you can see, there's the jets, and they're pulling the water through it and pumping it out. And this is sped up, and so it doesn't move this fast, but this will give you a little bit of an idea of how it goes around on the bottom of the pool. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Here's a close-up shot of the roller as it goes over some debris on the bottom of the pool, and it also goes right over the drain. It takes a couple passes to get everything, but it does get them by the end of the session. So I sped this up about 400%. This is video of the Aiper going up a 90-degree vertical wall in my pool. It actually cleans the tile line. So here is a time lapse of the pattern that the Aiper Cordless Robotic pool cleaner does. I set it on walls and floor. So what it does is it does the floor first. And our pool is a very unique design. As you can see, it's not square at all. I mean, it is very round and curvy. So it takes a while for it to get to every single nook and cranny in the pool. But it does get all of the leaves and debris off the bottom. It is pretty amazing. I mean, it takes, over 3 hours for this to happen. And once it's finished doing the floor, it's going to start to do the walls. So watch it crawl all the way up and hit that tile line. And actually, when it encounters an obstacle like the ladder, it just kind of moves around it and just continues on. And it's just going back and forth. And it kind of goes over the spots that it did. So it does a great job cleaning the walls. And I have to say that I'm totally satisfied with it. The only negative thing is it can't get up on my sun step and clean that. So I have to brush that myself. All right, so this is your retrieval hook, and you'll notice it's got these two little depressions. This little piece in here is what is giving it its springiness. just like that. And so what I have to do is I have to take my leaf catching net off of my pole. So what I do is I just squeeze these two here, pull it off, right? Then I'm just going to take this. These little thingamabobs right here are going to go in these little holes. I'm going to slide it in, squeeze them. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Now we're ready to go. Now we can pull our robotic pool cleaner out of the pool because it's been in there for 3 hours and it stopped. Let's go get it. All right, so if it gets in the deep end, this expands. You pull it out, and then you're going to twist it clockwise to tighten. See how long it is? All right, let's go get it. All right, we got to get her out of the drink here. And so I'm going to use my hook. Sometimes it's hard to get on, and you got to get this side of it. There we go. Let's pull it over here. I'll just bring it over on the sun step. And then I can just reach it and grab her with my hand. Pull it out. Oh! And I gotta let it drain a little bit. All right, now we can set it over here. And I gotta clean it out too, but I'm gonna set it here for right now. There we go. Okay, we got her out. All right, we're gonna show you how to get the basket out of this. So we're gonna go ahead and just open up the back. It just pops open. And then we grab our little handle, comes up, lift her up, and bam. There's our mess that we've got. Take a look at it. It's filled in. So all this mesh keeps it from coming out. And so to open it up, to clean it, we're just gonna pull it here, and then it pops open. If you look on the back, you'll see those two nodules that slide in there like that. Okay, so we got to squirt this out a little bit, but check it out. That was all in the bottom of the pool. That's the mess that we got hit on the bottom of the pool. There's a little bug in there. So we're just going to go ahead and dump this out, and then we're going to squirt it. Let's do that. Let's go ahead and just pick it up. Let's try to get as much water out of it as possible. Yeah, there we go. All right, let's put her back down. Okay. All right, it's good if you have a hose like this. And then we just got to dump this out. Just going to put it up right here in the grass. And then you can see if you look inside here, there's a lot of junk inside there, so I got to squirt that out of there. And if you turn it upside down, so anyway, just so you guys know, what happens is the suction kind of pulls this door up and pulls all the leaves in. And it's spring loaded, and now you can see we've got it pretty clean, right? So that's good. We're going to set that right here, let her dry a little bit, and then we're going to squirt this one right here a little bit. I'm going to put it on shower. And that's it right there. Bam, we got both of our pieces nice and clean, as you can see. And I'm just going to let them dry out in the sun out here, and then I'm going to put them back in the machine. So we'll just let them dry over here. So I'm just going to set them right there. All right, so I'm just going to leave them out here to dry a little bit, and then we'll put them back in the machine, but I've got to charge it, so I'm going to take the machine inside and charge it. Okay, so after using this for 2 days, I got to say it's a great machine. It does come with a 2-year warranty, 24 months, which is good. Also, it runs for about 3 hours, which is good. My pool is very unique. It's very circular. Everything is curved, and there's no right angles anywhere, but it did a great job. So, you know, I'm going to say, yeah, this is a good one to get. Yeah, I would give it 5 stars. All right, so to get her inside, I'm just going to pick it up, and we're just going to go in here and bring her over to my charging area. Just set her down. Bam, right there. And then we'll just get it on a charge, and we'll get her ready to go. All right, so the port's right here. Just got to open that up like that. If I can find the hole. There we go. You're going to hear a beep, and it's going to give you this. Just make sure it's on the off position, and you can see it's red. All right, we're going to let that charge. And to get a full charge, it takes about 90 minutes, and it turns green. Time for the unplugging. Bam, done. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.